On the ground. Just for fun. I'm bored. Yep. Now your mother doing the shampoo in my bedroom. So I should just see how long this goes. Yeah, because I'm curious. Bucket full of toesy. Hang around the rosy. Bucket full of toesy. That's just we all fall down. Well, let's see if I can actually get to one thing I want to. There goes the refrigerator again. Yep. It's about being a dilemma. Alright. Things are kind of getting weird all of a sudden. Excuse me. I'm curious if I can get this to 4. Yep. Yep. Alright, let's see if I can get to that. Now this is interesting. This is the first time I ever had hiccups this long.